Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the video aspect ratio in WiseCut. So let's get started. First, open the WiseCut application within your desktop and also make sure that you are logged in with your account. Within the main homepage, you will see options like upload via link or upload via video. For this tutorial, we will use a video from the recent project section. You can just scroll down and you will see the recent project section. Within it, you will see the list of prior projects. You can just click on any project that you want to edit. This will redirect you to the clips page. On this page, you will see two icons, scissor icon and download icon for every clips. Please make sure to click on the scissor icon to open the WiseCut editor. Inside the editor, look at the right corner. You will notice that there is no separate video aspect ratio icon available with the other tools. In order to change the aspect ratio, users need to click on the download icon present. When you click the download icon, a download panel will open. Inside this panel, you will see different export options. Look for the format or aspect ratio section, whichever is present in your interface. Under the format, you will see options like horizontal, vertical, and square. You can choose any aspect ratio that you want. It is important to know that you can preview the video in the selected aspect ratio inside the editor. WiseCut only allows the chosen aspect ratio when you download the video. After selecting the aspect ratio, click on the confirm button and the WiseCut will process and download the video. And that's how you can change the video aspect ratio in the WiseCut. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video with more WiseCut tutorials.